Hello, I'm Vidya, welcoming you all again to Viya's kitchen. We'll make egg Bhejo, a snack from the Burmese cuisine. Popular Burmese recipe that has a spicy and tangy kick with crunchy onions and garlic and is packed with tons of earthy flavors in each bite. So let's take a look at the recipe. For egg Bhejo, we need hard-boiled eggs, crispy onions, crispy garlic, freshly ground red chili flakes, salt water, tamarind juice or lemon juice, chopped coriander and oil reserved after frying. Boil eggs, remove the shell and keep it aside. Now take an iron pan or any kadai, add oil and heat it. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions and fry it until the onions turns crispy. Now the onions are fried well and they have turned crispy, so we can remove it and keep it in a separate bowl. Now in the same oil, add sliced garlic and fry it until it's crispy. Now the garlic is fried well and it's crispy, so we can remove it from the pan and keep it in a separate bowl. To the same hot oil, add red chilies and fry them well. Now that the red chilies are fried well, we can remove it and then powder it in a blender. Also reserve the fried oil and keep it in a separate bowl. So now that we have made all the ingredients ready, take an egg that is hard boiled, slit it halfway through. Slit open the egg and add all the ingredients one after the other. First add a spoon of crispy fried onions, followed by that add a spoon of crispy fried garlic, and then add the freshly ground red pepper flakes. Add a little bit of tamarind juice or lemon juice. Add the preserved fried oil, just a little bit will suffice, and then add a little bit of salt water. Just drizzle some salt water on top of it, and then add some chopped cilantro on top of it. Now that it's all loaded, give it a good bite and enjoy the burst of flavors that egg Bhejo has. I'm sure you and your family are gonna love this. Thank you all for watching. This is egg Bhejo from my kitchen to yours. See you all soon in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Viya's kitchen. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye.